All right, let's get real for a second. Imagine this. Tomorrow morning, you wake up, check your bank account, and boom, there's an extra $25,000 sitting there. Maybe it's from a lottery, a tax refund, your side hustle finally blowing up, or maybe one of your uncles left you something in the will. Now, the question is, what do you do with it? Most people, they sprint straight to Amazon. Flat screen TV, new iPhone, designer sneakers. Then a week later, they're looking around like, where did all my money go? Here's the hard truth. Money doesn't disappear. We spend it away, usually on the wrong things. That's why today, I'm going to show you the 10 smartest upgrades you should make immediately once money starts coming in. These upgrades don't just make you look richer for a week. They actually make you richer, freer, and sharper for life. And listen, if you think this is just about saving every penny, you're in for a surprise. Some of these upgrades are fun. Some are practical. All of them will change the way you live and build wealth. Here's how wealthy people think differently. They don't just ask, what can I buy? They ask, what can I buy that makes me richer, healthier, or freer down the road? That's the framework for today's list. Every upgrade we talk about is either going to 1. Make you more money. 2. Protect the money you already have. 3. Improve the quality of your life so you can actually enjoy it. Upgrade number 1. Your skills and knowledge. Let's start with the most valuable asset you'll ever own, your brain. Here's the truth. Money can buy you things that rust, fade, or go out of style, but money invested in your skills compounds for the rest of your life. Warren Buffett said it best. The more you learn, the more you earn. That means books, courses, certifications, coaching, even paying for mentorship. This isn't about overpriced guru webinars. I'm talking about real, targeted education that helps you increase your income. So before you upgrade your car, upgrade your brain. Because skills are the one thing no recession, no boss, and no bad economy can ever take away from you. Upgrade number 2. Upgrade your health. Let's be honest, what good is a fat bank account if you're too tired, sluggish, or sick to enjoy it? Health is a foundation that every other upgrade rests on. You can have the dream house, the dream car, and the dream business. But if you're running on fumes physically, all feels hollow. That's why, once money starts flowing in, one of the smartest investments you can make is in your own body. And no, I don't just mean flexing a gym membership you never use. I mean buying the groceries that fuel your energy instead of draining it, investing in a standing desk so your back doesn't give out at 40, hiring a trainer, or joining a class of accountability helps you stay consistent. Don't forget setting appointments for preventive checkups, therapy sessions, dental cleanings, and mental health care. Because trust me, fixing problems early is way cheaper than waiting until they explode into emergencies. Here's the bottom line. A healthy body is the ultimate wealth machine. It's what gives you the stamina to chase opportunities, focus deeply, and actually enjoy the lifestyle you're building. 3. Upgrade your sleep. Let's be real. People love to brag about pulling all-nighters, taking only 4 hours of rest, or sleeping only when they're dead tired. But let me tell you something. That's not hustle. That's a slow-motion car crash. Sleep deprivation doesn't make you a warrior. It makes you a walking zombie. And zombies don't build wealth. They wander aimlessly until they collapse. Because here's the truth. Sleep is a billionaire habit. Jeff Bezos once said he prioritizes a full 8 hours a night because clear decisions are worth more than groggy hours spent at a desk. Elon Musk may joke about coffee fuel marathons, but even he admits poor sleep leads to mistakes. So if the wealthiest people on the planet treat sleep like gold, maybe it's time you stop treating it like an afterthought. When money starts flowing in, one of the smartest upgrades you can make is your sleep setup. Invest in a mattress that doesn't feel like concrete, blackout curtains that trick your brain into thinking you live in a cave, and pillows that don't flatten out in a week. If you want to go next level, try a sleep tracker. You'll be shocked at how much you don't actually sleep compared to what you think. These are small changes, but the compound effect on your focus, creativity, and energy is enormous. Upgrade number 4, your network. There's a saying, your network is your net worth. And it's true. One introduction can change your entire financial future. This might mean going to a professional conference, joining a mastermind group, or simply picking up the bill for dinner with people smarter than you. I'll tell you right now, being in the right room will get you opportunities that 10 years of grinding in the wrong room never could. So if you get extra money, don't just think about what you can buy. Think about who you can meet. Here's the truth. You can't build an empire in isolation. If you're only ever around people who think small, you'll stay small. But when you surround yourself with ambitious thinkers, risk takers, and doers, suddenly opportunities start showing up in your inbox. So when that extra money arrives, don't just ask, what can I buy? Ask, who can I meet? Of course, once you got the right people around you, you'll need the right tools to actually get things done. And that takes us to the next upgrade. Upgrade number 5, your tools and work setup. Seriously, if your income depends on your laptop and you're still clinging to a machine that wheezes like it's running on coal every time you open a browser tab, you're not being frugal, you're sabotaging yourself. It's like trying to win a Formula One race in a lawnmower. At some point, the tool itself becomes a bottleneck, not your skills. A faster computer, a A reliable phone, noise-canceling headphones, or a proper desk chair that doesn't leave you hobble like an 80-year-old after a long workday. These aren't indulgences. They're productivity multipliers. The right software alone can save you hours every single week. Automation tools, accounting apps, project management platforms. These things turn chaos into systems. And in business, systems equal freedom. Think about it this way. If a carpenter showed up to build your house with a rusty, dull saw, you'd laugh them off the site. Sharp tools make better work, faster work, and more profitable work. The same goes for you in the digital age. Every hour you spend fighting with outdated tools is an hour you could be building wealth. So stop punishing yourself. Upgrade your tools and let them do half the heavy lifting for you. Now, shiny tools are great, but what happens when life hits you with a curveball? That's where upgrade number 6 comes in. Upgrade your emergency fund. Let me tell you, nothing feels wealthier than knowing you could lose your job tomorrow and still sleep like a baby. An emergency fund is like a financial parachute. You pray you'll never need it, but if life shoves you out of the plane, you'll be very glad it's strapped to your back. Stacking 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a boring, plain savings account might not sound exciting, but it's the ultimate power move. It means a surprise car repair, medical bill, or job loss doesn't derail your life. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't about Lamborghinis and Rolexes. It's about freedom from fear. Having that safety net gives you confidence to take bigger risks, try new opportunities, and even walk away from toxic jobs or clients. That peace of mind is priceless. So before you flex, before you invest, make sure you've got your emergency parachute packed to avoid panic. And speaking of panics, nothing stresses people more than the next upgrade, which is debt. Upgrade number 7. Clearing your debts. Let's be real. If you're carrying credit card balances with 20% interest, that's not just a bill. That's financial quicksand. Doesn't matter how hard you hustle or how much you earn, those interest charges will swallow your money faster than you can shovel it in. It's like trying to fill a leaking bucket. The harder you pour, the faster it drains. Crushing debt is the fastest, most secure investment you will ever make. And beyond the maths, the freedom is priceless. No more waking up with that anxious pit in your stomach. No more dodging phone calls. No more shame swiping your card. Clearing debt isn't just a financial upgrade. It's an emotional one. It's like firing the financial vampires, sucking your future dry, and finally taking back control of your money story. 8. Upgrade your wardrobe strategically. But wait, I don't mean flexing with Gucci belts or $800 sneakers. That's spending to look rich. What I mean is upgrading strategically. Buying clothes that elevate your confidence, sharpen your image, and help you walk into new rooms with authority. Because like it or not, people are judging you before you even say hello. Think of it this way. A well-fitted blazer, a sharp pair of shoes, and outfits that actually fit, not drowning you or squeezing the life out of you, sends a silent message of, I take myself seriously, so you should too. Contrast that with sneakers that look like they survived a zombie apocalypse or shirts that scream broke college student, and suddenly your potential gets overlooked before the conversation even starts. It's unfair, but it's reality. First impressions are financial leverage. In other words, clothes don't make the person, but they absolutely influence opportunities. And they do make first impressions. And first impressions can open doors money can't buy. Upgrade number 9. Buy back your time. The moment you have extra money, don't just think about the things you can add to your life. Think about what you can remove. Time is the one resource you'll never get back. And wealthy people know this better than anyone. That's why the rich don't just have money. They have time freedom. If you're running a business, hire additional staff or freelancers to take over the tasks that drain you so you can focus on high-value work that actually grows your income. Outside of business, pay for a cleaner. Outsource your laundry. Use grocery delivery services. These things might feel extra, but freeing up even 5 hours a week can be life-changing. That's 5 hours to sharpen your skills, strengthen your relationships, or brainstorm ideas that could make you thousands more down the line. Buying back your time isn't laziness. It's leverage, and leverage is how the wealthy get wealthier. The sooner you realize this, the sooner your money starts multiplying your minutes. And finally, upgrade number 10. Upgrade your assets. His is a heavyweight upgrade, the one that separates people who look rich from people who stay rich. Once money starts flowing in, don't just buy more stuff that drains your wallet. Start buying things that pay you back. Assets are the quiet wealth builders. Index funds, dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or even building your own business. These are the things that grow while you're not even looking. Think of every dollar you invest as hiring a tiny employee. This little worker never gets sick, never asks for time off, and doesn't need a 401k. They just clock in every single day, compounding quietly in the background. Let me put it this way. Liabilities are money vampires, sucking your future dry, but assets are money soldiers, fighting for your freedom. So the ultimate upgrade is shifting from consumer to owner, from letting money be a guest that comes and goes, to turning it into a permanent employee that works for you forever. And that's it. That's how financial freedom actually happens. So here's my challenge to you. The next time you get a raise, a bonus, or even just a little extra cash, don't ask, what can I buy to look rich? Ask yourself, which of these 10 upgrades will make me stay rich? Because money doesn't change you, it amplifies you. And if you upgrade wisely, it can amplify the best version of you. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these upgrades are you going to focus on first? If this video gave you ideas, smash that like button like it owes you money, and subscribe for more ways to build wealth the smartest way. Here's a video I made that reveals ways to upgrade wisely, live freely, and keep building. Kindly check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.